It's a RPA challenge, and our task is to fill the Excel sheet data in these fields. So first, download this Excel sheet data. Now, jump to your software. First task is to read that data from the Excel sheet. So you have to use read activity. Read activity from workbook. That is your read range. Give the location of your file. That is your challenge. Okay. And now open browser. First assign variable. Okay. Data. Open browser. Quotes. Give this link to open browser. After opening, our first task is to click on start. So use click. Click on start. After clicking, you have to read the data from this file. So read get row item. Get row item. First we use a loop for each row and place a variable data. First for each row item is used for first name. Value is row. Index is 0. Okay. And create a variable for this. Control K and add name. After reading the first column data, it will store in that variable. We will further use this variable for inputting the data in website. Next is get row item used for last name. Index is 1 row. Control K and last name variable. Okay. The next item is after last name we have company name. Company and index is 2 and your variable name is control K company. After company name, we have role in that company. Role and index is 1 0 1 2 3. Index is 3 and variable is control K role. Role is index 3. And next index is role address email info. Address index is after 3. Address, control C, control B. After address, we have email is 5 and variable is email. And the last column is phone. Phone number index is 6. Control K 4. Okay. These are the variable we have declared. But remember one thing, phone is a integer, so we have to choose double for phone number. Yeah, everything is okay. Next, this website has a dynamic data, means every time you have click on submit, it changes the location of that field. So for dynamic fields, data fields, we use anchor base. So search for anchor. The first part of left part of anchor is to find that field in the page, and the next part is to type your data. So for finding, we use find element, and next is your type into, to type your data. That anchor base we use for first name. Here we indicate on a screen our first name is, we anchored our first name, and the type into is used to type our first name, and we use variable of first name to transfer the Excel sheet data. Then we have completed our first field. Next field is last name. Same part, find element. Next is type into. Find element is to use to find last name. And type into is used to type the last name from the Excel sheet to the website. And we use last name variable here. Okay. Same thing again. We have to repeat this step for all fields. Find element. Type. This thing is used for first name, last name, company name. Where is your company name and company data and company variable. Fix. Next is your role. Find element. Find the role of company. Role. Again, enter is the whole we have address, mail, and phone. This field, this anchor base is used for address. Address, 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 address. We have type address variable. Address. Address, then anchor base is used for female, find item, typing. For email, typing. Use email variable. And the last part is phone. Here, one thing is to remember: type into field is used for strings. So, and phone number variable is double. So we have to change double to string for typing. Okay. And last is to submit. Means click on submit button after every cycle. Is your submit. Then now we have completed our data entry program. Now run and check whether there is any error or not. Yes, one error. We didn't change the browser type. So first we change the browser type because we assign all the activities on Chrome, but it open in Internet Explorer. It will give error. So we have to change the browser type. Yes, then start and cannot find column range. We have to close Excel sheet. Now, again, some missing. Last name cannot find column 1. So, okay. Range A1 and A2. That's why it shows error. So delete the range so that it can capture all the sheet. Then everything at right place. Yeah, one more thing. To maximize the window, we can use command activity maximize window. That's and to speed up this data filling, you can reduce delay after and delay before, so that the speed will improve. Okay, there is a problem in clicking on submit button. So check the selector on submit button. Indicate again on submit button. Then verify and validate it. Then you can use submit and run again. It has total 100 fields, and at last it calculate all the fields data and time and accuracy percentage. And success rate is 100% without any error, and time taken is 75,000 milliseconds. And the project is